My last video was about a 6-string bass. Now I'm doing this. I'm kind of starting to think that we may have been sucked into some sort of parallel universe. Bridge, get me out of here. Viewer warning, the following montage is going to contain CNC footage, which as we all know is not real woodworking. So despite everything you saw before this clip and everything you're about to see after it, I am obviously not a real woodworker and all of this stuff was made by magic pixies inside a computer. Viewer discretion is advised.
That escalated quickly.
Laser beam. honestly, throw me a bone here.
So Keith Richards of the Rolling Stones is probably one of the most famous guys to do it. He takes this low E string, the sixth string, off of his guitar and plays with only 5 strings tuned to an open G chord. There's certainly many other musicians who do it as well, including the person who asked me to make them this guitar. But what makes this real fun is that what we did is we actually made a 5-string neck. Instead of just putting 5 strings on the typical 6-string neck, we did the math to remove that additional string. We made custom pickups with my buddy Rob at Gemini Pickups with only 5 poles. With these custom individual bridge saddles, we were able to make it all just 100% a 5-string guitar, and it's really, really fun to play because the neck is like skinny and light and fast. It's super interesting, and that is what I love about what I do. Is not only do I get to make things that I find missing in my life or things that I want to see in the world, there are other people out there in the world who want to see something that they may not have the ability to do themselves, and they can contact me, and I am more than happy to make whatever wild and crazy instrument they want. I have another one on my bench right now. I can't wait to show you. It's going to take me a while to get to. So thank you very much for watching. You can learn more about me here on my YouTube channel as well as at newperspectivesmusic.com. I may be working on a few 6-string versions of this guitar as well. Maybe not. All right, thanks a lot and be good.